I got a feeling I'm supposed to be the best by now. Got money on the way, manifest out loud. My mama telling me I need a rest right now, but I can't get these thoughts out my head right now. I got my mind on you, can't keep my eyes off you. Ain't no telling what I will do. I got my mind on you, yeah. And I feel like the only real one left right now. Some people probably wish I was dead by now. Game kinda feel like it's chess.